Welcome to the Michigan Skier Show. Join us each time as we explore the people, the places, and the events that shape our great sport.
Programs and how they're going to melt people's hearts.
Yeah. I'm skating too for my show program. I'm skating to Chopin's Nocturne in C-sharp minor.
Same as last year, right?
Yes, it was a big hit, and it showcased a side of me that I don't think people have seen before. I think it's very hauntingly beautiful, and I love the way it makes me feel. And I love when I'm on the ice and people are silent, because just that's the effect the music has, and so I really enjoyed skating to it, and obviously it must be good because the current world champion is also skating to it, and so it will be a competitive field, but I know that I will stay focused on myself, and yay, people get to hear it twice because we're going to be at the same competitions this year. And then my free program is Miss Saigon, and it's a beautiful tragedy. Whenever I hear Sun and Moon, I get goosebumps, and I tear up a little bit because it's just beautiful, and people make sacrifices all the time, and so I don't really relate to how they fell in love, but I am in love, and so I understand that connection, and I really want to share that with the audience, and you know, if a music gives you goosebumps, you know it's good, and you know you're connected to it, and I feel that with Miss Saigon, and so I love the drama of the music.
And going back to triple axel, what does it feel like while you're in the air doing it?
It takes a lot of muscle. It's all about that initial push off and that step down, and so it's all about that first step. That's when I know if it's going to be good or bad, and so I think it's really exciting that like it all depends on like the first part.
How do you know you've done three complete, 3.5 right here?
When I nail it and I'm like, thank you.
Okay, so you can feel it when it's in the air.
What do you use to fuel yourself? If you've just hit rock bottom, you're exhausted, what's your go-to?
Probably my dogs.
Okay. I was thinking more food, but that works too.
There's just something about cuddling with my dog Lincoln that is re-energizing, and I work hard to make sure that they have the lifestyle that they have, and I love walking them. I love sleeping with them. Like Lincoln literally sleeps in my arms, and so to come back after a good day or a bad day, they're so happy to see me, and so I love seeing them. Food-wise.
Your other dog?
Oh, I have 3 dogs.
3. Okay.
And I went Kardashian style, and so I went with all L's. So their names are Lincoln, Liberty, and Lexi.
And what kind are they?
Lexi is a husky, so that's why we gave her a very more like a female girl name, like
I or Y?
I, Lexi, because she is a husky, and so obviously very intelligent, and she does talk back to me when I get mad at her, and so she is very appropriate for her name. And Liberty is our guard dog, very protective, and so I feel like that name suits her too. And Lincoln, even though he is the smallest of the bunch, he has the most personality, and just the way he sits is very regal, like Abraham Lincoln on the penny, and so
What kind again?
a Pugalier.
Oh, okay.
A pug and a King's Cavalier mix.
Other than hanging out with your dogs, any other rituals you have before hitting the ice?
Before my long program especially, I always take a nap because sleep is the best way to recover, and I read that LeBron James sleeps 12 hours a day. I don't sleep that much, but I definitely do use sleep to feel recovered.
Can you sleep before a competition? 12 hours?
Yeah, I can. Sometimes I think about it and I'm like, oh my god, like just that that high level competition, and to expect yourself to land all those jumps, and then I put a lot of stress on myself because I do have expectations, and I think to recover from that, I easily sleep. 10 hours is usually where my limit is, but I definitely sleep a lot more at competition, and I feel like it's my body's way of telling me, hey, this is how you recover.
You talked about your on-ice music. Is there anything off the ice that you're listening to right now a lot?
I love Beyonce because like she is just a powerful woman, and I mean, like I can't even like just she is just the way she stands up for herself and how she portrays herself is life goals. And so I love Beyonce. I'm really open to pop music and I love EDM too. Like anything that has a beat and will keep me going while skating. It's like working out.
Do you ever hear a song and think, oh,